Guys, are you even trying? We live in a world where mediocrity seems to be the norm, where people are content to settle for less than their best, where effort and hard work are often viewed as optional rather than essential. And I have to ask, is this really the best we can do? I look around and I see so much untapped potential. I see people with dreams and goals, but lacking the drive and determination to make them a reality. I see individuals who are capable of greatness, but choose instead to coast through life on autopilot. And it breaks my heart. Why are we so afraid to push ourselves? Why do we settle for less than what we're truly capable of achieving? Why do we consistently sell ourselves short and accept excuses instead of results? I believe it's time for a wake-up call. It's time to stop making excuses and start making things happen. It's time to take control of our lives and strive for excellence in everything we do. It's time to ask ourselves, are we even trying? You see, success is not just about talent or luck. It's about effort. It's about determination. It's about putting in the hard work day in and day out, even when no one is watching. It's about pushing through the obstacles and setbacks and never giving up. So I challenge each and every one of you to dig deep and find that inner fire that burns inside of you. I challenge you to set high standards for yourself and refuse to settle for anything less. I challenge you to push yourself beyond your comfort zone and discover what you're truly capable of achieving. Because let me tell you, the world needs more people who are willing to try. The world needs more leaders, more innovators, more go-getters, who are not afraid to put in the effort and chase after their dreams with relentless passion. So the next time you feel like giving up, remember this: you have the power to change the course of your life. You have the ability to rise above the mediocrity and become the best version of yourself. You have what it takes to achieve greatness, but only if you're willing to try. In conclusion, I leave you with this final question: are you even trying? The choice is yours. Will you settle for average, or will you strive for excellence? The time to decide is now. Thank you.